Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, beloved Huzoor.
Wa alaikum assalam. Are you from Ghana?
I was born in the UK, but my parents come from Ghana.
Acha, the Bonsu Sahib, the Ibrahim Bonsu is your... Are you related to Ibrahim Bonsu Sahib or not?
He's my father.
He is your father?
Yes.
No, Ibrahim Junior or Ibrahim Senior?
His father is Ibrahim Bonsu also.
Yes, this is what I am saying. Senior and junior. Because father and the son both have the same name. Acha, so you are the grandson of Ibrahim Bonsu Sahib, whom I am referring to. Acha, what is your question?
My question is, it's not compulsory for me to fast during the month of Ramadan, but is there any advice that beloved Huzoor can give me so I can also get more blessings during the month of Ramadan?
It is not an obligatory on you to do fasting. How old are you?
15.
15. So you can, if you can tolerate, you have the, you see, health is good, then at the age of 15, on every alternate day you can do fast. You can keep fast.
Yes.
Right? So in this way you can have 15 or 16 roza fasting. Right? But apart from that, fasting during the month of Ramadan, you should also be more careful towards your prayers. Offer your prayers fervently, and not only 5 daily prayers, but also do some extra prayers, nawafil, tahajjud, right? If you offer nawafil and tahajjud, you will get the same blessing. And then try to read the Holy Quran, and try to finish the Holy Quran at least once during the month of Ramadan, the whole of the Holy Quran. Then you will also get the blessing of Ramadan. So when you are at the age of 18, then you should keep all the rozas and keep fast for 29 or 30 days of Ramadan. So when you attain the age of 18, then you will be entitled, although if your health is good, you can keep fast during the whole of Ramadan, but if you feel that you are not that healthy, then at the age of 18, then you should try to keep all the rozas and during Ramadan. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Som.
Huzoor.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah Huzoor.